Let's talk about the use of the ablative case. The ablative is a versatile case with many different meanings that are usually translated in English with a prepositional phrase. In Latin, sometimes we will find a preposition and other times we will not. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the instrumental ablative, also known as ablative of means. No prepositions are found in Latin when the ablative case is used to identify the object by which or with which something is done. The question here would be by means of what, or simply with what. The noun that follows is normally never a person. If it is a person, then it becomes an ablative of agent. We'll see this variation in another tutorial. However, even in the means, in some cases you may find a person to indicate something very similar to means. For example, you might say, Caesar sent the letter by means of messengers. In this circumstance, Latin would not use the simple ablative, but it would use per plus accusative. Caesar epistulam per legatos misit. Real means sentences would sound something like this. Dominus tuba servos vocabat. Fossam aqua complent. Magnitudine periculi moti sunt. Locum muro ac fossa confirmant. Ad Siciliam nave ivit. Britanni lacte et carne vivunt, pellibusque sunt vestiti. Magnis itineribus ad oceanum pervenit. Pretty simple, isn't it? Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.